Happy Saturday everyone. My name is Ranger Flores and I am a regulated Canadian immigration consultant in good standing. In today's video, I would like to share to you one of the common mistakes that visitors commit when they engage in studying here in Canada. If your program requires you to attend the school physically, then it should be less than 6 months. Unfortunately, this is where the visitors commit the mistakes. Karamihan po kasi sa mga visitors, they decide to study after extending their status. Ang problema, the act states that the study should be done upon entry. So when we say upon entry, it is the first day you arrive in Canada and you have at least 6 months to finish your program. Kasi alam naman po natin ang visitors can only stay 6 months at a time. Kung online yung study, anytime, pwede mo siyang gawin. Otherwise, you are violating the condition of your stay. Katulad po ng visitor na to, nag-aral po siya but after 6 months na. And akala niya po ay okay lang kasi nag-aral naman siya less than 6 months. Kaya nung nag-apply po yung applicant, nakita po ng RCC yung kanyang study and this application has been refused. So I hope nakatulong po sa inyo itong video na ito. Kung may kilala po kayo na visitors na gusto mag-study dito sa Canada, ipanood nyo po sa kanila itong video na ito. Thank you and have a good day.